Welcome to Money Minds. Do you want to know how to build sustainable wealth? Join us on this journey of financial growth, where we explore the concept of sustainable wealth and why it's so vital in our lives. We're not here to dazzle you with the glitter of get-rich-quick schemes that promise mountains of gold overnight, but evaporate into mirages in the harsh desert of reality. Instead, we're talking about steady, reliable growth that emerges from intelligent financial and disciplined habits. Picture a tree, starting as a small seed, slowly sprouting, and eventually becoming a robust, towering entity. That's the kind of growth we're discussing. It's about nurturing your finances, creating the right conditions for growth, and patiently waiting as they bear fruit over time. Keep in mind, building wealth is a marathon, not sprint. It requires making smart decisions, displaying patience, and consistently working towards your financial objectives. It's about forging a financial future that offers stability and security, not just for you, but for generations to come. Building wealth is not about becoming rich overnight, it's about financial stability and growth over time. The first step to wealth building is financial planning. Imagine you're setting off on a journey. Would you leave without a map or at least some directions? Of course not. The same applies to your financial journey. It's essential to set clear, realistic financial goals and chart a course to achieve them. Now you may wonder, how do you do that? Well, many turn to financial advisors, experienced professionals who can provide you with valuable advice tailored to your personal financial situation and long-term goals. They assist in creating a comprehensive plan, taking into account various factors including your income, expenses, savings, and investments. But what if you're more of a tech-savvy person, preferring automation over human interaction? Enter robo-advisors. These are digital platforms that provide automated, algorithm-driven financial planning services with little to no human supervision. They're often a less expensive alternative to traditional advisors, yet they still offer customized advice and help you stay on track towards your financial goals. Whether you choose a financial advisor or a robo-advisor, the key is to have a plan. It's the roadmap that guides your financial decisions and helps you avoid unnecessary detours on your journey to wealth. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Budgeting and saving are the cornerstones of wealth building. Without a solid foundation in these two areas, your financial house is likely to crumble. So let's dive into the importance of creating a budget to manage income and expenses. Think of a budget as your personal financial blueprint. It's a plan that outlines your incoming money and how you'll distribute it among your needs, wants, and savings. A budget enables you to understand where every dollar is going, ensuring you are not overspending and you are putting enough aside for your future. It's like being the architect of your own wealth, designing the structure and flow of your finances. Now, let's talk emergency funds. Life is unpredictable. We've all experienced unexpected events that can lead to financial stress. An emergency fund serves as a financial safety net. It's money set aside to cover large, unexpected expenses, like a sudden job loss, major car repairs, or a medical emergency. Having an emergency fund can provide you with peace of mind, knowing you can handle these surprises without derailing your financial plan. Finally, let's discuss automating your savings. This is a simple yet effective strategy for consistent saving. By setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment account, you ensure that saving becomes a regular habit. It's like having a personal financial assistant working for you around the clock. This way, you're prioritizing your future self every time you receive income. Remember, wealth doesn't happen overnight. It's a gradual process that requires discipline, patience, and consistency. By creating a realistic budget, building an emergency fund, and automating your savings, you're laying the groundwork for financial success. To wrap up, a good budget is a roadmap to financial success. It's your guide through the journey of wealth building, helping you navigate income, expenses, and savings to reach your financial goals. With a budget in place, you're in the driver's seat, steering your wealth in the direction you want it to go. Debt can be a hindrance to your wealth-building journey. It's a roadblock that keeps us from reaching our financial destination. It's like trying to run a marathon with a backpack full of rocks. The weight of debt slows us down, makes the journey harder, and sometimes it even stops us in our tracks. Managing and paying off debt is a crucial step in building wealth. Each dollar spent on interest is a dollar that could have been saved or invested. When we reduce our debt, we're essentially giving ourselves a raise. We're freeing up more of our income to put towards our savings and investments. We must remember that not all debt is created equal. There's good debt and bad debt. Good debt, like a mortgage or a student loan, can help us build wealth in the long run. Bad debt, on the other hand, like credit card debt or payday loans, only drags us down. It's important to prioritize paying off high-interest bad debt first. We can't ignore our debt and hope it goes away. It won't. We have to face it head-on. We have to make a plan to tackle it, and we have to stick to that plan no matter how long it takes. Remember, the borrower is slave to the lender. But with diligent debt management, we can break those chains and move closer to financial freedom. Investing is crucial to building wealth. It's a statement as true as the sky is blue, but the question is, how do we navigate the vast sea of investment options? The answer lies in two key strategies: maximizing your retirement contributions and diversifying your investments. Retirement savings are often overlooked in the race to build wealth, yet they provide a solid foundation for your financial future. Maximizing your retirement contributions means making the most of the retirement plans available to you, such as the 401k or individual retirement account, also known as an IRA. These accounts offer tax advantages that can significantly boost your savings over time. Think of it like planting a tree. The seedlings, your contributions, may seem as small and insignificant at first. But with time, they grow into a sturdy tree, your retirement nest egg. The beauty of these retirement plans is that they are often tied to your employment, meaning the contributions are automated. This ensures consistency, a crucial element in wealth accumulation. But what about the here and now? That's where diversified investing comes in. Simply put, diversification is about spreading your investments across various asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and real estate to balance risk and reward. It's the financial equivalent of not putting all your eggs in one basket. Imagine that you're on a sailboat. If you put all your weight on one side, the boat will capsize. But if you spread your weight evenly, the boat remains stable, even in choppy waters. That's what diversification does for your portfolio. It might not make you a millionaire overnight, but it can help safeguard your wealth and provide steady growth over the long run. So whether you're just starting out or you're deep into your wealth-building journey, remember the importance of retirement savings and diversified investing. They might not be the most glamorous aspects of wealth creation, but they are the backbone of a solid financial future. The key to investing is not timing the market, but time in the market. So take your time, make your plan, and watch your wealth grow. Increasing your income can accelerate your wealth-building journey. It's a simple sentence, but one that holds a lot of truth. You see, while saving and investing are crucial, they can only get you so far if your income remains stagnant. So, let's delve into some strategies to boost your earnings. One approach is to pursue higher-paying jobs. Yes, it might be comfortable where you are, but comfort rarely leads to growth. So don't be afraid to take that leap. Polish your resume, network, and keep an eye out for opportunities that can take you a step or two up the financial ladder. Starting a side business is another option. In today's digital age, opportunities abound for entrepreneurial spirits. Whether it's freelance writing, graphic designing, or launching an online store, the key is to find something you're passionate about and can potentially monetize. It might not happen overnight, but with perseverance, it could become a significant income source. Now, if you're thinking, I'm not cut out for a new job or a side hustle, don't worry. There's another route: investing in skills and education. It's a long-term strategy, but one that can pay off handsomely. Maybe it's a certification course, a master's degree, or simply learning a new language. Whatever it is, enhancing your skills can make you more marketable and command a higher salary. And let's not forget, passive income, earning money while you sleep. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? This could be through rental properties, dividend stocks, or even writing a book. The initial effort might be significant, but the ongoing income can be a game changer. Remember, these aren't overnight solutions. They require time, effort, and sometimes a bit of risk, but the potential rewards, well, they're worth it. Remember, your income is your most powerful wealth-building tool. So don't be content with where you are. Seek opportunities, take calculated risks, and watch your wealth grow. So how do you build sustainable wealth? Let's take a quick stroll down memory lane. We kicked off our journey with financial planning, a crucial first step in the wealth-building process. This involved setting clear, achievable financial goals and developing a roadmap to reach them. Next, we delved into budgeting and saving. Remember, a well-structured budget is your financial compass, guiding your spending decisions, while saving equips you with the resources needed to weather financial storms. Then we tackled the often intimidating topic of debt management. We emphasized the importance of keeping debt under control, as unchecked debt can be a significant roadblock on your path to financial freedom. We also explored retirement savings and diversified investing. We highlighted the importance of starting early and spreading your investments across different asset classes to manage risks and maximize returns. Finally, we discussed ways to increase your income. Whether it's through a side hustle, a promotion, or smart investments, boosting your income is a surefire way to expedite your wealth-building journey. Building wealth is a journey, not a destination. Start today and create a financially secure future. Thank you for joining us on this journey to mastering wealth. We hope that this step-by-step guide has provided you with practical strategies and actionable insights that will support you in creating a financially secure future. However, this is just the beginning. There's so much more to learn, and we have many more resources to share. So, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you'll not only support us, but you'll also be the first to know when we release new content. Remember, building wealth is a journey, and we would love to continue being part of yours. So hit that subscribe button like this video and share it with anyone who might find it beneficial. And don't forget to leave your questions, comments, or suggestions in the comment section below. We value your feedback and are always looking to improve. So, until next time, keep striving, keep learning, and keep building your wealth.